Hello everyone, मेरा नाम हर्षिता अग्रवाल है and I am a practicing advocate in the Honorable High Court of Delhi. अब ये बात तो सभी को पता है कि 21 दिसंबर 2023 को ब्रिटिश एरा से चलता आ रहा इंडियन पीनल कोड को रिप्लेस करा गया भारतीय न्याय संहिता से. And even though it is correct that the BNS retains many existing provisions of the IPC, but many new have been incorporated too, which relate to offences like organized crime, terrorism, and adds community service as a form of punishment along with other offences and punishments. And सिर्फ यही नहीं, punishment for offences against women and children has been enhanced and a stricter approach has been taken by the government in these matters now. BNS has made sexual intercourse with wife as marital rape if her age is below 18 years. Earlier, it was 15 years. BNS treats all victims below the age of 18 years as children. Rape and gang rape of women and children carry distinct penalties now. The Act also criminalizes sexual intercourse with a woman by deceitful means or by making false promises. It is a new offence under Section 69 of the BNS and is a punishable offence that can carry a fine and a decade-long jail term. This was not an offence earlier in the IPC. A husband can also go to jail for 7 years if he resorts to sexual intercourse upon his wife during separation. Under the new BNS, violation will carry not less than a year-long jail term and can also extend up to 3 years in fine. Repeat offenders can also go to jail for 7 years. BNS has recommended a 3-year jail term for offence of stalking. Interestingly, even women can be booked under this law now. The government has also, keeping a very progressive view, promoted gender neutrality with certain provisions with respect to sexual offences. In fact, under Section 10 of BNS, gender has been redefined as the pronoun he and its derivatives are used of any person, whether male, female or transgender. सुप्रीम कोर्ट की पिछली कुछ जजमेंट्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत ही प्रोग्रेसिव और थॉटफुल प्रोविजंस इंक्लूड किए हैं BNS में, for which they deserve a lot of credit. I feel that introduction of the BNS in the new criminal laws is a great step towards breaking through the laws made in colonial times, and implementation of the new laws and provisions was definitely the need of the hour.